How to play wildcard on FPL. Hey guys, and let's get started. To make unlimited substitutions in one game week, or if you want to change your team completely, let's follow the steps. First of all, open the Premier League application and then go to Fantasy. But make sure you have logged in into your account. If you select on Pick Team, you will not see the option of wildcard. So for this, go back and select Transfer. Here you should see wildcard available. If it is unavailable, it could be because of many reasons. The very first one being already used wildcards. You only get two wildcards per season, one for the first half and one for the second half. Another reason could be not activated yet. For this, you have to check if it is available or not. And the third solution would be because of technical issues. In that case, you might have to update the application. However, if the wildcard is available, you just have to tap open it and then you can start replacing your players. But be mindful of the cost. Also, if you activate your wildcard, you won't lose any points. Even if you make multiple changes in one game week, it stays the same. After that, click on confirm to activate your wildcard and you're good to go. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and comment on what you'd like to see next. Have a great time. Thanks for watching.